Welcome back to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how to uninstall programs and clean up unnecessary files using IObit Uninstaller. If you've ever struggled with stubborn software or had programs leave behind junk files, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the installation, usage and benefits of this powerful tool. So, let's get started. Why use IObit Uninstaller? Unlike the default uninstaller on Windows, IObit Uninstaller offers several unique features, removes leftover files and registry entries, ensuring no junk clutters your system. Batch uninstallation allows you to remove multiple apps at once, saving time. Force uninstall gets rid of stubborn software that won't uninstall easily. Manages browser plugins to improve browsing speed and security. Monitors new program installations with the Pro version to ensure future uninstalls are complete. Creates restore points, giving you the ability to undo changes if needed. With these features, IObit Uninstaller helps keep your PC fast and optimized. Download and install IObit Uninstaller. To get started, head over to iobit.com. From the Products tab, click IObit Uninstaller and download the free version. Once the download finishes, open the installer, follow the setup steps and click Next until it's installed. The free version offers most features, but the Pro version adds advanced tools like Install Monitor and automatic updates. Launch IObit Uninstaller and explore the interface. When you open IObit Uninstaller, you'll see a sidebar with sections like All Programs, Recently Installed, Large Programs, and Toolbars plugins. These categories help you quickly find the apps you want to uninstall. For instance, Recently Installed shows the most recent apps, while Large Programs highlights apps taking up the most space. Uninstall a program. To uninstall a program, select All Programs from the sidebar and click on the app you want to remove. Hit Uninstall in the top right corner. IObit will ask if you'd like to create a restore point, always a good idea, just in case you need to undo changes. Check the option to automatically remove residual files and click Uninstall. IObit will first run the program's default uninstaller. Once that's done, it will perform a powerful scan to detect any leftover files or registry entries. Review the results, click Select All, and hit Delete to clean up any remaining junk. Use Force Uninstall for stubborn software. If a program refuses to uninstall through regular means, go to Stubborn Programs from the sidebar. Select the program and click Force Uninstall. IObit will bypass any errors and remove all associated files. This feature is handy for bloatware or apps that don't have an uninstall option. Batch uninstall multiple programs. Want to clean up several programs at once? No problem. Simply check the boxes next to the apps you want to remove, then click Uninstall at the top. IObit will queue them up and run the uninstall process one by one, automatically deleting leftovers. Manage browser extensions and plugins. If your browser feels slow, it might be due to unnecessary extensions. Head to Toolbars plugins on the sidebar. IObit lists all installed browser extensions and plugins. Select the ones you don't need and click Uninstall to remove them. Cleaning up your browser improves both speed and security. Enable Install Monitor. The Install Monitor is a useful feature available in the Pro version. It tracks newly installed programs, recording every file and registry entry added. This makes it easier to uninstall programs completely in the future, ensuring nothing is missed. To enable this feature, go to Settings and toggle on Install Monitor. Keep IObit Uninstaller updated. To make sure you're getting the best performance, keep the software up to date. Click Settings, Check for updates to download the latest version. Updates improve the tool's ability to handle new apps and remove stubborn software. And that's it. Now you know how to use IObit Uninstaller to clean up your system, remove stubborn software, and manage your browser extensions. With features like Batch Uninstall, Force Uninstall, and Install Monitoring, this tool gives you complete control over your programs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cyberflux for more tech tutorials. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, good luck and peace.